how to get a Squarespace free trial. This will be a short video. I'm just going to show you how to get the free trial. First things first, I do have my link, an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click on that link, you can get this free trial. Once you click that link, you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, just depending on how Squarespace change their pages over time. You'll see that it will say start for free, no credit card required. You get this free trial. You can check out the full platform, see if it's for you. If it isn't, that's fine. You can cancel at any time. If it is, you can get one of their paid plans. So it's very informative, detailed site, very visual heavy. You can scroll around and get more information, but if this is for you, you will click get started, and then you will go through this process of saying what your site's about and answering all of the questions. And from there, you will have your Squarespace free trial account, and you can check out the full platform from there. Like I say, click my link, get this free trial, see if it's for you. And there's no risk to you. You can cancel at any time. But very, very worthwhile if you are looking to create a website about anything, especially if you're just starting out. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.